I want to thank everybody for coming today and celebrating my graduation from the hardest schooling of my life. As you all know, when I started my nursing journey, I started from Denver University, so I didn't originally go to the school that I graduated from, which is Juilliard Junior College. Life happened, and I ended up getting kicked out, and it was very devastating. I felt like I was going to give up. I disappointed my mom and dad a lot. It was not a very good time for me, and even though I wanted to give up, something inside me was telling me to keep going. So to all of the little ones here, just remind yourself, you gotta keep going even if, life kicks you in the butt. You gotta keep going and keep pursuing what you wanna do, because if it's something that you wanna do, basically, in the weather that I'm on it, you'll get it done. Even though my parents were very hard on me about finishing school, they were there every step of the way to help. So if you guys feel like your mom and dad are like, oh, okay, it's because they want you to do better in life, and they are trying to support you all that they can. So you can always ask them for help. So take my story from a person who got kicked out of school, but got back up on her 2 feet to keep going and finish school. Learn from me and just keep going and don't give up. And then thank you for everybody who came here today to congratulate me and share this accomplishment. I'll be taking my boards soon, so after the celebration I will go back to studying. Even though I thought I was done with studying, I'm not done with studying yet. So tetap belum nyampe lah. Pink Thailand là bạch trôn nè, nè flow winners cho cái lên nè, nè bác Pink Thai mà symbolizes the traditional nursing practice. I get that honor now.